In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to do some things. An example of that is I'm going to teach you how to extract a file. Now this file belongs to a client and I want to teach how to extract a file. Now like you see, this icon here is not what a .zip file is. Actually it is like this. Let me show you what it's going to look like. So let me go to, if your computer does not have WinRAR is a software used for unzipping or extracting zipped files, that is to say compressed files. Now when a file is compressed, it's going to be smaller in its size. So I want to set the default to this. So by default you have the icon look like this. So the icon is like this, and anytime you click on it, you will have it show something here at the top telling you to extract it. So you can just go to the top and click on extract. Now we have different kind of extraction. We have extraction using WinRAR or extraction using the default program. So in this case we want to extract using the default program from Microsoft Windows, and the default program is Microsoft Zip. So I can right click on this. Let's see the icon better. Okay, as you can see, this is how it looks. You can see the zip picture icon on it, and so if I click on it, if you double click on it, it will actually open for you to work on, as you can see. And if you open the file here, the file may open in read-only mode. It's going to save it in a temporary location. So you can't really, for a Microsoft Access file, you can't really have it. It's going to open from a different location entirely. So what you will do to this, to extract a file, you just right click on the file and say extract. So you can say extract it to a particular folder, which is the particular folder name. So this one is a particular software that I use to extract file, and it's called WinRAR. So I can just use it, or I can just say extract it using Microsoft Windows default option, which is this one at the top. So I can say extract all. So when I click on that, I can now extract it to this location, or I can select another location by browsing. So I click on extract. So as you can see, this is the file here extracted, and Microsoft Windows help you to open it in the Explorer. As you can see, this is the file we just extracted. Why I actually right clicked on this to say extract to this particular folder or extract using this option was because I wanted it to be inside a folder. So no matter how many the files are, I can just have it inside a folder. So as you can see, I have extracted it and I can run it directly. So if you say edit, is going to edit from that particular location without creating a temporary file. So you know this is the original file. But if you open the file directly from the extracted file, it is very dangerous. It's not advisable. So I don't recommend that for you. Just only right click on the folder and right click on the file and extract it. Now you want to ask me, why do people extract? Why do we have to compress a file? Now when I want to send a file, let's assume a document across the internet, and I know that I'm using a dial-up and this is 3 megabytes or maybe 4 megabytes, I will just right click on it and say compress. So to compress the file, I right click on it, right click, and I say compress. Or I can just okay, I say send. For Microsoft default, you just click on send and say compress. So as soon as I click on compress, it will compress the file and have it there. So you can see we have it there, and I can rename it again. So that is it. That is how it was done. and it will make the file look, it will now become smaller because the file has been compressed. So that is how you extract a file. Make sure you follow up other videos and please subscribe to my videos. Thank you.